In this video, we will talk about IIST Thiruvananthapuram PG admission for MTech and MSc programs in July 2023 session. Talking about IIST Thiruvananthapuram, Indian Institute of Space Science and Technology, IIST Thiruvananthapuram is an autonomous academic institution under Department of Space, Government of India for providing quality human research to the Indian Space Research Organisation ISRO and other national research and development organization and industries. PG programs offered by IIST are in Aerospace Engineering, MTech in Thermal and Propulsion, MTech in Aerodynamics and Flight Mechanics, MTech in Structures and Design, in Avionics, MTech in RF and Microwave Engineering, MTech in Digital Signal Processing, MTech in VLSI and Microsystems, MTech in Control Systems, MTech in Power Electronics, in Earth and Space Sciences, MTech in Earth System Sciences, MTech in Geoinformatics, and Master of Science in Astronomy and Astrophysics. In Physics, MTech in Optical Engineering, MTech in Quantum Technology. In Chemistry, MTech in Material Science and Technology. In Mathematics, MTech in Machine Learning and Computing. Now talking about eligibility criteria. Applicant should be an Indian citizen and age limit is 32 years as on 2nd May 2023. And age relaxation is applicable to SC, ST and person with disability PD category as per Government of India orders. Now talking about minimum qualification. BE, BTech, Master of Science or equivalent degree with a minimum of 60% marks or CGPA 6.5 out of 10 for General or EWS and OBC category and minimum 55% marks or CGPA 6 out of 10 for SC, ST and PD category. A valid score in GATE in relevant areas as the case may be is essential. When CGPA and equivalent percentage are both provided in the mark sheet or certificate, CGPA alone will be considered for eligibility. Now talking about department-wise eligibility criteria. First talking about Aerospace Engineering for Thermal and Propulsion and Aerodynamics and Flight Mechanics. BTech or equivalent degree in Aerospace Engineering, Aeronautical Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Chemical Engineering or equivalent. A valid GATE score in Aerospace Engineering or Mechanical Engineering or Chemical Engineering. For Structures and Design, BTech or equivalent degree in Aerospace Engineering, Aeronautical Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Civil, Production Engineering, Mechanotronics or equivalent. A valid GATE score is required in Aerospace or Mechanical or Civil Engineering. For Avionics, in RF and Microwave Engineering, BE, BTech or equivalent degree in Electronics and Communication or equivalent. A valid GATE score in Electronics and Communication Engineering. Now talking about Digital Signal Processing, BE, BTech or equivalent degree in Electronics and Communication or equivalent or valid GATE score in Electronics and Communication Engineering, Instrumentation or Electrical Engineering. In VLSI and Microsystems, BE, BTech or equivalent degree in Electronics and Communication, Electronics and Instrumentation or equivalent. A valid GATE score is required in Electronics and Communication Engineering, Instrumentation Engineering or Electrical Engineering. For Control System, BE, BTech or equivalent degree in Electrical Engineering, Electronics Communication or Instrumentation or equivalent or GATE score is required in Electronic Communication or Instrumentation or Electrical Engineering. In Power Electronics, BE, BTech or equivalent degree in Electrical Engineering, Electronics and Communication or Instrumentation or equivalent, valid GATE score in Electrical Engineering. Now talking about Mathematics, Machine Learning and Computing, MSc, MS, BS, MS in Mathematics or Applied Mathematics, Statistics, Computer Science, Mathematics and Computing or equivalent, or BE, BTech or equivalent degree in Avionics, Computer Science, Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Electrical or Electrical and Electronics, Information Technology or Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering or equivalent. A valid GATE score in Mathematics, Statistics, Computer Science and Information Technology, Electronics and Communication Engineering or Electrical Engineering. Now talking about Chemistry. For Material Science and Technology, BE, BTech or equivalent degree in Polymer Science and Technology, Chemical Engineering, Rubber Technology or Metallurgical Engineering, Material Science or Material Science and Metallurgical Engineering, Mechanical Engineering or production engineering or production and industrial engineering or plastic technology or equivalent, or MSc or MS in chemistry all branches, or physics or material science or nanoscience and technology or equivalent. A valid GATE score is engineering sciences or chemical engineering or metallurgical or mechanical or production and industrial engineering or chemistry or physics. Now talking about physics, for optical engineering, BE, BTech or equivalent degree in electronics, electrical engineering, electronics and communication engineering, mechanical or computer science and engineering or engineering physics, or MSc in physics, applied physics or MSc integrated physics. A valid GATE score in electronics and communication engineering, electrical engineering or mechanical engineering, physics or computer science and information technology. Now talking about quantum technology, BE, BTech or equivalent degree in electronics, electrical engineering, electronic communication engineering, engineering physics or computer science and engineering, physical sciences, or MSc in physics or applied physics or photonics or MSc integrated physics or related areas. A valid GATE score in electronics and communication engineering, electrical engineering or physics or computer science and information technology. Now talking about earth and space sciences, for earth system science, BE, BTech or equivalent degree in aerospace engineering, aeronautical, mechanical, chemical, civil, avionics, electronics and communication, electrical or electronics and electrical or physical sciences or engineering science or engineering physics, agriculture engineering, instrumentation engineering or equivalent, or MSc in physics or mathematics or MS integrated physics or earth science. A valid GATE score in aerospace engineering, civil engineering, chemical, electronic and communication, electrical, mechanical or agriculture or engineering sciences or physics or mathematics or equivalent. Now talking about geoinformatics, BE, BTech in any branch of engineering or MSc degree in any branch of science with mathematics as a subject at degree level. A valid GATE score in agriculture engineering, architecture and planning, civil engineering, computer science and information technology, electrical engineering, electronics and communication engineering, engineering sciences, environmental science and engineering or geomatics engineering, geology, geophysics or mathematics, mining engineering or physics. Now talking about Master of Science in Astronomy and Astrophysics, BE, BTech or equivalent degree in any branch, or Master of Science or MSc in Physics, Space Science or Space Science and Technology. A valid GATE score in any one of the following: GATE in any one of these subjects: physics, electronics and communication engineering, electrical engineering, instrumentation engineering, engineering science. For engineering science, at least one of the following papers required: fluid mechanics, material science, thermodynamics, atmospheric and ocean science. Now talking about IIST PG fee structure. Tuition fee is 35,000, other fees are 5450. Total fee become 40,450. Now talking about scholarship. MTech students with valid GATE score will receive scholarship through AICTE, and for the students admitted for Master of Science program, the scholarship will be paid by IIST. Now talking about selection criteria. On the basis of GATE score for MTech programs offered in Department of Aerospace Engineering, Avionics, Chemistry, Mathematics, Physics and MTech in Geoinformatics, candidates will be rank listed based on their valid GATE score. An additional list will be prepared based on rank list and available number of vacancies and preference given by the candidate. On the basis of GATE score and online interview, the shortlist for online interview will be prepared based on GATE or JEST score for the MTech in Earth System Science and Master of Science in Astronomy and Astrophysics programs offered by Department of Earth and Space Sciences. The applicants who are shortlisted for this MTech or Master of Science program are required to appear for online interview. Now talking about application form. Candidates can fill online application on the IIST official website. The applicants who wish to apply for more than one program shall exercise their order of preference or option of postgraduate programs at the time of applying itself. Applicants can choose a maximum of 5 preferences within or across all the departments. The preference once exercised shall be final. Now talking about application fee. For male candidates in General, EWS, OBC, for 1 to 3 program is 600 and 4 to 5 program is 1200. For SC, ST, PD and women candidates, 1 to 3 program is 300 and for 4 to 5 programs fee is 600. Now talking about schedule for PG admission 2023. Application form will be open on 6 April and close on 2nd May.